Just received my bomber eyeglasses in the mail. Give you first look and first impression. Bomber Z87 work glasses, safety glasses. This is how they come in a discreet box. It took about 7 days. I got the BOGO sale, buy one get one sale. And there's 2 black boxes. Let's see, come with 2 cleaning cloths, 3 bomb stickers, safety eyewear. There you go, bomber safety eyewear. A business card, you see over there, bomb ripper, photochromatic, and your receipt of the price paid. Now to see what's inside the box. Here's my free bomb ripple glasses with a blue, ice blue lens, non-polarized. As you can see, it comes with this cushion here. Stop moving. With the white frame, bomber on the side. And right here, the model number, the model is bomb rip up right here. BZ87 Plus written on the side markings. So your safety man can see these are legit. Right here, the BS logo for the company safety. And this neat safety to keep your lenses in. $5 value, claim free. Here's the second pair of glasses I paid $55 for. These are the polarized Z87 by Bomber. I like these. Polarized on the lens. The fire red, the fire red version. Right here is your model number, hub bomb it will say, with the Z87 Plus at the end. Hub bomb, and let's see, Z87 Plus safety markings. Again with the floating or with a cushion inside for safety. Polarized. And again with the $5 pouch it comes with. Keep your lenses from scratching on their own. So 2 boxes on the BOGO sale. And right here is information on your receipt. Returns and unworn items purchased in last 4 to 5 days shall be eligible for a free refund. We require all our wear items to be returned with the tags in the original plastic bag. The glasses were received, and if these conditions are not met, you will not be eligible for a full refund. Please visit the return section located in the footer of the website to initiate your return. Here goes the address and a thank you. You are the bomb. Thank you for your business. So I'm giving my first impressions and what I think of the glasses, of the eyewear. They're very popular. They've been around for a good while. So if you have any questions, comments, go ahead, leave them on a reply. Leave a like, leave a heart, Show your support, and thank you for watching Ray's Live. Thank you, and have a good day.